This is Paranormal Short Session 4 by Keith Evans at the digital alarm clock. You can also see the millimeter in the top, and at the bottom the Ovilus 5B. Today is Saturday, 29th January 2022, and it is approximately 3:08 a.m. I'm going to be turning on the Ovilus 5B. There will be A and B part 2 Paranormal Short Session 4, and this is part B. And I don't think it's because a ghost or spirit turned off the camera like yesterday or during Paranormal Short Session 3 when I was having unexplained camera turn-offs. I think tonight I was just out of storage space because I had forgotten to delete some of the prior Paranormal Short Sessions, and I think it just stopped because of lack of storage space. So that was my error tonight. All right, I'm going to turn on the Ovilus 5.
Brother Square.
Brother Square.
Monitor.
Okay.
Altar. Providence.
Monitor, altar, providence, caress. I'm glad you're caressing me.
Something.
What is your name? My name is Keith
Enjoy.
Evans. Caress, something
Mason.
to enjoy. Mason. You're a Mason. Hi. I am Keith Evans. What is your name? And then there might be multiple people coming
Could.
up.
Unlock. Satan. Ed.
I don't care much for Satan, but hello,
Ledge.
Ed.
Bracelet.
Nice to meet you.
Revoked.
Ledge,
Follow.
bracelet,
Heard.
follow, heard,
Smile.
smile,
Rose line. Single.
line, single. I'm not sure what rose line means. First time I've ever seen the word rose line. I don't think I've ever seen smile, but I'll do my best to smile.
Work.
Work.
Spoon.
Spoon. Core. Well, I do use a spoon, probably every day. I work at being a paranormal researcher. Core.
Discernment.
Discernment. I
Away.
get discernment a lot.
Wings.
Head, away, wings.
R. Feeling.
R. Letter R. Feeling. Or maybe R is short for A or E. Wings are feeling. Well, if my wings are arms, I'm not feeling anything touching me. So let's look and see what tonight is. Rather tame. It's only 5.5 milligauss, 5.6 milligauss, and 72.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Since there's probably multiple ghosts here near the digital alarm clock, or within the digital alarm clock.
Heart. Anything. Clock.
Heart, anything,
Flowers.
clock. And you mentioned the digital alarm
Chart.
clock. Flowers. I don't see any flowers.
Jess.
Chart. Yes, I do chart the words just to see if there's any reasoning to the words or any pattern, if there's more than one speaker. Jess, we got a word, we got a name. Hello, Jess. My name is Keith Evans. Shaking. Why are you shaking? I might be shaking a little. I don't know. It's hard to stand still like this and be inches away from a digital alarm clock. Lynn. Hi, Lynn. My name is Keith Evans. Do we have any more names? Is Jess male or female? I would imagine that name could be male or female. I don't hear Jess too often. Could be short for Justin or Justin Tina or something like that. I mean, Lynn is female. Do I have any more names? My name is Keith Evans. It's nice to meet you, Jess and Lynn. Nickel. Happy. Knee. Felt. No, I didn't feel you touch my knee. Haunting. I guess it might be old-fashioned, but anyone considers to be paranormal communication to be a haunting if you're talking to a ghost, but I don't. It's just regular communication.
You. Boy.
Yeah, me. You boy. Haunting you boy. Well, maybe you're communicating with me. And I'm a man, not a boy. Not a dope. Drag.
Black.
Dope. Drag. I might be kind of a drag. A dope in the 60s would be a person who's dumb. Or dope could be drugs from maybe the 60s or 70s. Kind of a drag would be a term from the 60s. When you're no fun, you're kind of a drag. Black place. Well, the lights are out, and I usually do my paranormal sessions during the day so everyone can see everything, but since I'm just zeroing in on my proximity to the digital alarm clock and my millimeter.
Afraid.
Place soil afraid. Oh, I'm standing on the floor and I'm not afraid. I hope you're not afraid. Full. Mean afraid, full of fear. No, you don't have to be afraid of me, and I'm certainly not afraid of you. Let's see what our millimeter reading is. It's still 5.6 milligauss, and it's 72.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Got another word, noise, funeral, toll, scan. Garden. Are there any more names? Nighttime. Yes, it is nighttime. A tent. Things.
Elemental.
One.
None. Few. Waves.
Any one or none, few, waves. Yeah, get a lot of waves. We're actually near the Gulf Coast. Few waves. Maybe the water's calm. Well, my name is Keith Evans. Do I have any more ghosts or spirits willing to tell me their first name? If they want to tell me their first and last name, that's good too. And this is Paranormal Short Session.
Pinky.
Oh, we got Pinky. Hi, Pinky. Pinky is a ghost and spirit of a possibly cat that I've been communicating with. The cat is from Apalachicola. Pinky, you'd like to scratch. Scratch like an axe. Okay, Pinky is saying we scratch like an axe.
Fade.
I haven't had any scratches, Pinky, so I'm good to go. Hubble, aqua, weeps. I guess you could say my walk with a limp is somewhat of a hobble along the aqua, which is the water.
Tremor.
It hurts, but I don't weeps.
Guess. Sense.
Tremor, guess, sense.
Van. Threshold.
There's the word van again. Sense, threshold. I'm not feeling anything, ghosts or spirits. If you're trying to touch me, I don't feel anything, and
Lead.
I certainly haven't had any scratches. Lead, square. I'm not scared. You don't have to be scared.
Him.
Nation, potential, drift, him. I'm not sure what that means.
Where. Who.
Drift, him, where,
Subtract.
who,
Day.
day.
Shot. Little.
Shot. I don't know of anyone being shot. Okay, yesterday I got the last name of Little. It may not have been a last name. It might have been they shot a little.
Demand.
Demand.
Unclear.
Unclear. What demand is being unclear?
Wings. Children.
Got wings again. Children. I get children. Some, especially when I was on top of the building. I got children during the paranormal short sessions on the rooftop.
Jess.
Hi, Jess. I got you last night. Nice to hear from you again 2 nights in a row, Jess.
Disc.
For density. My name is Keith Evans. Nice to meet you all. Could I get your first name at least, or your last name, or both your first and last names? For density. Des. I guess I'm about 2 to 3 inches away from the digital alarm clock. Yeah, I'm going to go back to sleep after this. So I'm not going to continue too long. Now this has been Paranormal Short Session 4 Part B, because I ran out of storage space. And by Keith Evans, and I'm at the digital alarm clock. As you can see tonight, the millimeter has been pretty tame. It's only like 5.1, 5.0 milligauss, 6.9 milligauss, and it's 72.8 degrees Fahrenheit. And getting multiple words on their Ovilus 5B. Today is Saturday, 29th January 2022, and I'm going to be ending a short session 4B.
Heart.
Whenever I say that, I get a flurry of words.
Fight.
Character, heart, fight. What are y'all fighting over? Character, heart, fight. Fighting for the heart, huh? Alright, I'm going to tell everyone good night. I'm going to turn off the Ovilus 5 first. And everyone have a good night.